In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reporting tags in Zoho Books. Reporting tags are simple, customizable labels that help you slice and analyze your financial data without changing your chart of accounts. Think of them as categories like department, region, sales channel, or event. When you run reports such as profit and loss, sales, or expense summaries, tags let you filter and compare results in a way that matches how your business operates. Once you're in your Zoho Books organization, look toward the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. This opens your settings area. From there, choose Reporting Tags. This is where you create and manage the tags that power your segmented reporting. On the Reporting Tags page, start by entering the name of your tag. Pick a name that's short, clear, and easy for your team to understand. For example, department, location, or campaign. Avoid special characters and long phrases that might become confusing in reports. Consistency matters here, because this tag name will appear across your transactions and reports. Next, add the tag's options. Options are the values people will select when they apply the tag, like north, south, east, and west for a location tag, or marketing, sales, and operations for a department tag. Create options that are mutually exclusive and collectively cover the scenarios you expect. Keep the wording consistent. Decide whether you'll use singular or plural, abbreviations, or full words, and stick with that format to keep your reports clean. If you're not sure how many options you'll need, start with the essentials. You can refine your list later as your reporting needs become clearer. It's also a good idea to review spelling and capitalization before you save, so your reports don't end up with near-duplicate options. When you're happy with the tag name and its options, click Save. And that's it. Your reporting tag is now created. You'll see it listed on the Reporting Tags page, ready to be used wherever tags are supported in Zoho Books. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Reporting Tags feature, make sure you're in the correct organization and that you have the necessary permissions to access settings. Also, plan your tags with the end reports in mind. Think about how you'll want to filter or compare data, and let that guide your tag structure. A bit of planning now will save a lot of cleanup later. You've just learned the fastest way to create reporting tags in Zoho Books. Open Settings, go to Reporting Tags, name your tag, add options, and save. Simple, effective, and ready to power more insightful reports.